Today I'm going to be teaching you how we make our native porridge yam. Stay tuned if you want to know how we do this. Hey, I'm Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. We'll be needing the yam, the ugu leaves, the scent leaves, Scotch bonnet peppers, Akpaka or oil bean, crayfish, onions, seasoning cubes, salt. Now let's get right down to the preparation of the ingredients for this recipe. We're going to be peeling our yam neatly and we're going to be cutting it into tiny pieces. This will allow the ingredients to enter. We're going to wash it very well and keep it aside. We're also going to be selecting our ugu leaves and our scent leaves and then washing properly before cutting into tiny pieces and keeping it aside for use later. One of the African culture is to pound things in the mortar. So we're going to be pounding our pepper, our onions and crayfish and also set this aside for use later. In a dried pot, we're going to be adding our palm oil and we allow this palm oil to heat up a bit and we add in our sliced onions, then our well-washed yam. And then we also add in our pounded pepper, onions and crayfish and salt and some seasoning cubes and we'll stir this in the oil. We fry like a bit in oil so that we allow the ingredients to enter this yam. You know, I always frying brings out the flavors in our dishes, so that is what I'm trying to introduce at this stage of this recipe. When we fry like say to 10 minutes or thereabout, we're going to be adding water into this pot. Stir very well, test for salt and other things. Make sure everything is in its right proportion. We're going to be covering this pot back and cooking till our yam becomes soft or done, you know. We're also going to be stirring this. At this point you will notice that your porridge are beginning to thicken a bit, so you just stir and shake. If you need to add more water at this stage, you're going to be adding water. So we're also going to be adding our Akpaka to our porridge, then our sliced vegetables to our porridge, and we're just going to be stirring maybe with a low heat or even the heat off. We don't want to overcook our vegetables. And guys, this is the recipe as easy as ABC. Something you could try out. If you have the ingredients, you can skip if you don't have some, and try this out and get to me on the comment section. Thank you so much for your engagement on my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.